Go on, Steve Irwin.
Is that a banjo? Let me get a picture of the bear catching the fish.
We're gonna eat it.
Yeah, you can eat that, man. Banjo. How did it get in there? You came fishing.
I know about the it's underneath it. Take that bell off.
Well done, Sam. You can put that on the bonnet of your car.
Where's this going? Can you take this? Where's that going underneath?
You caught it with two lines, man. Look at its mouth.
Where's that getting mixed up? You can't lift it up. Right.
Yeah, you jingle bells, mate. What are you going to do, cut it?
What are you going to do when you get up here?
Oh, I want to see him.
What the fuck did this happen?
Oh, is it me fishing or you? Marlene, this is Sam's biggest ever fish. Warren. Oh, he's so excited. He doesn't even know who's here. The Turkish bear does it again. Well done, you. Oh. Sam catches a surfboard. No, it's not. Keep going. Drop it under. Oh, he has to go the hard way. Give me a look at his face, Dumbo.